This is why you need the Lost Superfoods in your life. It's a treasure trove of survival wisdom. The Lost Superfoods is your ultimate guide to forgotten food and preservation techniques. Learn how to build a long-lasting food stockpile just like past generations. Imagine having affordable, nutritious food that can withstand hurricanes, pandemics, or even a grid collapse. From the U.S. Army's doomsday ration to foods that sustained people during the Leningrad siege and the Great Depression, this book covers it all. Plus, it includes tips on creating an underground greenhouse and mastering 1900s-era self-sufficiency practices. With clear instructions and practical insights, the Lost Superfoods is endorsed by readers for its life-changing knowledge. Secure your food future and embrace self-reliance. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more amazing tips. Check out the link in the description.